Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel in my Shady World. In this video, I will show you how we can use a group by function in Pandas. This group by function is mainly used when you want to split your data with some specific condition. So group by is one of the example of data exploration and data manipulation. So let's see how this group by works, and with one or two examples I will show here that how overall this group by is useful. Here I have already imported Pandas package, and the related data I have pulled here and stored it in a data frame DF, and these are the top 5 records of that car file. As you can see, there are a lot of columns here: model, miles per gallon, that is mpg, cyl, that is cylinder, and related to that car specific details. So let's see, if I want to find um, mean of horsepower, that is HP, based on number of cylinders, or the cylinders are there within this car file. So how we can achieve this? This is simply by using a group by function. So let's see how. Here I will first call the df dot group by, and here in the group by I will mention in the parenthesis that for this specific column, that is by what, by cylinder. So I will write here cylinder, and after this parenthesis I will write here in box bracket, that is HP, and we want something as a mean for that. So just simply write the mean and now run this cell. So this is how you can have that cylinder. These are the value counts of this cylinder. If you want to see, then this is how this cylinder dot df dot cylinder dot value counts. If you run this cell, you will see that these are the values within the cylinder: 8, 4, 6. So these are the specific values are there here, and how many of them are 14, 11, and 7. And if you see all of them based on the cylinder, then this 4, 6, 8 are, these are the actual cylinder types, that 4 cylinder, 6 cylinder, 8 cylinder. So these are them, and out of them in this file there are 8 of them are 14, 4 of them are 11, and 6 of them are 7. So based on this, if you want to have the HP mean, what is the horsepower, the mean value, the average horsepower that is related to the cylinder. So for average, any horsepower would be related to something, on an average it would be the 82. The mean has always been influenced by the outliers as in something which is extraordinary or something out of the box. If say everything is in a limit of 1 or 2 is in difference in range, but all of a sudden there will be a spike has been visible. um, so in that consideration, so let's say if I say there is 1, there is 2, then there is 4, but all of a sudden if you see something as in 15, then 15 will be defined as a spike, then this is called a spike. So in such consideration, if you want to find the mean, then the mean is always going to influence by 15, because that will increase the value of the mean. So this is how, but here we are not focusing on all these. We simply want to understand what is the mean value of it for the specific cylinder. So for a 6 it could be ranging 1 to 2, for 8 is 209. So this is how you can use the group by function. But let's say if I have just one column right now, I want to group by with two of those columns. So let's say I want to have something with related to the carbo rate. So for that, I will simply change here in the box bracket. I will add that one more group and write here carb right here. But I will just simply write here that df dot group by, and in that I will write cylinder, and not just cylinder, I want with respect to carb as well. So here I will write carb, bracket close, and dot, not dot, this is HP, and dot mean. And if you run this cell, then you will see these are the cylinders. So first priority is the cylinder, and from the cylinder these are the carbs, that there is a carbohydrate 1 and 2. For 6 there is 1 4 6. For 8 there is 2 3 4. And for the specific, if you see, then the 87 is related to 1 with the carburetor 2. Then there is, if there is a 1, then the horsepower HP would be 77.4. That is the average mean of the horsepower. If you say for the 8, then you will see the max value. You can see for one which having the 8 carburetors, they will have the highest horsepower, which is not a highest horsepower, I would say the average horsepower amongst all of these are this. So this is how you can segregate, you can group your data based on some specific condition, and you can have a summary of any specific report. So anywhere when you want to find out the mean, standard deviation, or median, or mode, or anything related to the summary of the data, then you can do so with the group by function. I hope you like this video. If you really like, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And for more such video, please hit all the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.